Christmas desserts brought to you by BlueBand. Make it better with BlueBand. Now you're cooking. All right, guys, time for Christmas desserts. Yes. Quick ideas as to what you could whip up for some sweet stuff over the holidays. And we have Chef Cheryl-Ann Shortt Charles with us. This one is brought to you by BlueBand. Making it better with BlueBand. And you made something better there because I'm seeing some combinations that I've never seen
before.
Put together before. What
I
is this?
I know. You know, BlueBand is so versatile that you want to be creative with it, right? Outside of putting it in cake or frosting, the normal stuff. So I made a crispy coconut bar.
A crispy coconut bar. But
right?
I'm seeing cornflakes, Chef.
Yes, I use cornflakes. And the nice thing about it, everything here you're going to have.
In your pantry.
I'm very sure
cupboard,
in your pantry. Right? So I'm going to use cornflakes.
Right.
Coconut, of course. Marshmallow.
Marshmallows, you know when you see marshmallows? I think you did marshmallows last week. Last yeah, you did the smalls, right.
Right, so we have
colorful ones.
Yes, and of course our BlueBand.
Okay.
So I'm going to take a BlueBand from you, right? And you have to melt your marshmallows. So you can melt your marshmallows in the microwave, or like we're going to do, I'm going to melt it over a pot of water. So I'm going to take a piece of BlueBand and add it to our marshmallow.
To the marshmallows.
To the marshmallow.
Okay, Chef. Let's go.
Right? And we're going to put it here.
Oh.
See? And we're going to start to melt it. So while this is melting, I'm going to line our dish. So I just took a simple baking dish, right? Lined it with paper because you want it to be able to pull it out nicely.
Right. So you're not greasing it, you're lining it with
I'm
paper.
lining it because, as I said, I'm not having a piece overlapping because you just want to pull it out.
Right, gotcha.
If you don't want to, you could grease it because it will come out very easily. Right? So we have our cornflakes. And we put our coconut shredded, and it's sweet. Right? It's sweet shredded coconut. So let's give this a stir. Now, as I said, you can use your microwave, but I like to use my double boiler. Right?
How long will that take?
This will take maybe about 5 minutes or so.
So the marshmallows is really melt down to.
Just literally see.
Whoa.
Marshmallow is melted down. And the BlueBand has given it a nice
creamy
shine.
Oh my goodness.
Right? So remove it from the fire.
Oh, I never knew marshmallows could have melted down like that.
Yes.
Okay.
And we add it.
Cool.
So what the marshmallow does is the marshmallow together with the BlueBand holds everything together.
Right.
So it's what's a mold, right? And we give it a mix. Make sure it mixes properly. You can mash some of the cornflakes into it if you so choose. What I also did is in my chocolate, because we're gonna, I'm the chocolate queen. I love chocolate. Can't do it without the chocolate.
Can't do it without the chocolate. Something was missing here.
Something.
Yeah, I just saw it.
So what I did as well is I put a little piece of BlueBand in the chocolate when I was melting it down. Right? So you see it's all combined.
Right.
You take our dish. Now I left mine to set overnight.
That's advisable?
That's advisable,
yeah.
If you want it to hold
properly, right?
Hold properly. Now I'll show you a little trick what I do. Because if we try to press it like that, it's too sticky. So normally I'll wet my hand and press it like that. If you wet your hand, you see?
Right, so it doesn't stick.
It doesn't stick.
This is the chef tip lady,
Right, so we have it.
Because if you didn't wet your hands there, everything will stick up.
It will keep sticking up. You get a little frustrated, you know. And then we take our chocolate.
Oh my goodness. Too much?
I mean, there's never too much
chocolate.
Never too much. Right, and we spread it. Joel talking about too much chocolate.
This is cool.
And I had some nice colorful red sprinkles.
Good.
to make it a little more festive. Right.
So as it is here, chef, you will leave it.
Leave it and put it in the fridge.
And that's it?
And that's it.
No bake?
Leave it. No bake.
No bake.
No bake.
And you get this?
Yes, you get that.
Come on. You get this?
Yes.
It literally holds together.
Yes.
Yeah.
Marshmallow helps it hold together, and the BlueBand. You must put the BlueBand. You cannot leave out the BlueBand because again, it gives it that creamier and shiny and gives it a little more body to hold the cornflakes.
Making it better with BlueBand, guys. These are crispy coconut bars that I will bite into now.
A fun dessert.
Fun dessert. Get the recipe on Cup of Joe Caribbean on our YouTube channel. Happy holidays, guys. We'll see you back here.